Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio, Roselle, New Jersey. So, Cicada just came out with a new series, the CHX line. We reviewed the 8 earlier this month. Now, the 6.5s finally started shipping. Anybody that pre-ordered the 6.5s will have their order shipped out this week, so you should receive it next week. The full container is coming in 2 weeks. So whatever orders you place now, you will have when that shipment arrives. The speakers are available in 2 ohms and 4 ohms. They're $700 retail. It's carbon fiber cone, weatherproof, the frog skin treated tweeter, so you won't get water in the horn. Has better mid-bass response, got a larger voice coil, so it's got higher power handling. It is not a replacement to the CH, it's a supplement to the CH. These speakers are more weatherproof, handle more power. They've slimmed down the basket on the speaker, so now the speaker is a drop-in fit, which is huge for us. A lot of customers do not like to heat the pods, and they do not like to cut the pods. So we were very limited in what we can offer. So the Ground Zero Neo was a solution. The Euphoria Expert Carbon Point Source is a solution. And the Hertz SPL Show Neo was also a solution. So now with higher power handling, we also have another solution, so that gives us 4 tools in our tool belt to be able to give the clients the best possible experience. Very excited for this speaker. We got to put it through its paces, got to drop it on a bike that already had a full build, so we got to hear what it would sound like on a bike with a full build. This bike has 2 8-inch saddlebags and just fairing speakers. So it had Sound Digital Evo X 800.4, so we were able to test it with between 300 and 400 watts RMS on each speaker, and the speaker performed really, really well. These speakers require more power than the CH series because they are less efficient. Anything that is, anytime you go with a larger voice coil and add mass to the cone, you're gonna need more power. It's just simple physics. So where the CHs used to run really well between 100 and 200 watts, but can handle upwards of 200 watts. These run really well on 250 to 400 or 500 watts. Very similar to some of the other high power speakers on the market, but things that we love about the speaker: 100% weatherproof, drop-in fit, no more modifying of the pods, higher power handling, carbon fiber, and what else can you ask for? Check it out. This is what the speaker looks and sounds like, and they're available through your authorized dealers now. So this is currently one of the only drop-in fit, weatherproof, high power coax for Harley-Davidson audio. These are the new Cicada CHX 6.5s, available in 2 ohm and 4 ohm. Rubber gasket to prevent water from going in the voice coil, and the frog skin to prevent water from going into the tweeter.
I'ma get no be so. Girl, you won't capture my soul. I'ma get no be so. Make you one umbo. Better, bye. Better, bye. I'm loose. Even better done the para. Tonight in Josie, I'm in Josie. Won't call it for one Josie. I'm not.
I've been having dreams, jumping on a trampoline, flipping in the air. I never land, just float there. As I'm looking up, suddenly the sky erupts. Flames alert the trees, spread to fallen leaves. Now they're right upon me. Wait if I'm on fire. How am I so deep in love? When I dream of dying, I never feel so low. I've been having tripping up.